How to hide Instagram story from all followers at once. For that, first of all, launch your Instagram application and make sure that you have logged into your account. Then, hit on the profile icon which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. From there, on the top right, you will see three lines. Simply hit on that and go through the settings and privacy. Now scroll down there, you will see hide story and live. Tap on it and go through it. From here, you can select the user to whom you want to hide your story. Once you do that, hit on the done and then you are good to go. There is also another way to do so. First of all, hit on the plus button which is on the bottom of your screen. From there, add a story. There you will see close friend option. Simply hit on that and choose a person to whom you want to show this story. And then you are good to go. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.